So welcome friends. Today I purchased this cycle that is Cross Bolt 28T, and this cycle is very nice cycles, friends. I can say that because it cost for around 9,000. That is 8,000 and 800 and something. So that's approximately 8,900, and we can say that it costs for 9,000, and it comes with 21 speed, as you can see, and the gears are from Shimano Tourney, which is a entry level gear set. Front derailleur is also from Shimano, and the model is a hybrid cycle type model. Rear brakes are V brakes, and the front one is the disc brakes. I can say that the V brakes are performing more better than disc brakes, because V brakes response is very good, while we need to press hard that disc brake. So V brakes are very good. And another thing I liked about this cycle, friends, is that the seat is nicely cushioned. You can see that it provides nice support to your bum, as well as this is the hole here, which provides airflow between two legs, which gets sweaty when we cross longer distance. We travel for longer distance. Shifters are also from Shimano. Front brakes are front gears are 3 gears, and rear gears are 7 gears, so that becomes the combination of 7 into 3, that is 21 speed. I traveled on it for about 10 kilometers, and the response was very good. But I feel that front shifters are a bit noisy, as well as otherwise everything is good. I cannot complain about anything right now, at least in my ride of 10 kilometers. Although I will update it from after I drive it for around 100 or so kilometers. And actually I live in Nasik, but this model was not available in Nasik, so I was ordering it from Amazon, but Amazon also did not ship to my area. So I find a local seller who ordered this cycle specifically for me, and then it got delivered. I took the delivery at his address. Otherwise, cycle is nice. Rims are alloy rims. These rims are made of alloy. This is reflector material, friends, and it looks so good that small light also fails on it, and then little light also, if it looks actually it looks good in the night conditions, and it does not have front or back suspension. It has a 18mm frame, I guess. Specifications will be in the description below, you can check out that. But what I liked about this cycle is front brakes are disc brakes. That one is a good thing, as well as we are getting Shimano gears. Although they are the entry level Shimano gears, but at the price of 9,000, what you can expect. So I ordered this one. It is a best value for money cycle right now, I guess, in hybrid category at least. I was using cycle for around 10 years, but with that one was with single speed. So this is my first gear cycle, and response is very good. I traveled hill from this one, and I felt so nice. With single speed bike, I used to get fatigue very soon, and I push that bike with my hands all that hill. But with this one, I shifted just gears to the lowest possible combination, and it was so easy to travel that hill. Otherwise looks and stickers and graphics, color, I like everything about this cycle. Only the thing which I didn't like about it is front derailleur is bit noisy, and otherwise seat is also very good. Handle is somewhat not misaligned, but I will get it repaired from local shop. That is not a very big problem. And otherwise we are getting a quick release for that seat also, so you can easily adjust the seat. Here it is, quick release. Seat is this much, so you can get an idea. This much seat you can extend, and this is very good hybrid bicycle. Thank you friends for watching this video. Suggest me anything you think about what is video, how is video quality, and other factors. You can comments down below if you have any questions, and please share this video, subscribe my channel. Thanks.